Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick video on my holiday haul. I only bought a few skin care products and beauty products. I'm not the type of person who likes to go overboard and buy a whole bunch of things just because there's a sale. I just buy what I need. I'm going to go ahead and show you the things that I got now. So the first things that I'm going to show you are going to be from Sephora. I got these when they were having their 15% off sale. The two things that I grabbed, I only grabbed two. The first thing was this Origins package. This is their Our Best of the Best pack. So it looks like that. This is $45 and it's valued at $68. There are 7 things that come in here. So the first thing up here is their Drink Up Intensive. That's an overnight mask. The next thing is their Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience. It's a soothing treatment lotion. I'm thinking about using that on my back because I do get breakouts on my back, and I feel like that lotion might be too thick on my face. It's just gonna end up clogging my skin there. The next thing here is a Super Spot Remover, great for acne treatment. And then below here there's a Clear Improvement, and that's an active charcoal mask. I love charcoal mask, and I love that it's small because I can take it with me whenever I travel. This up here, it is their Ginseng Eye Cream, and then below that is their Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer, also ginseng. The last thing down here is their Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. Again, I love that they're all very travel friendly, and I really just wanted to try a bunch of the products, and the best way to try products is through these packages. So the next thing I got is this Caudalie pack. So what I love in this one is actually their beauty elixir, which is this right here. It's a facial spray, and this has to be like one of the best facial sprays out there. When I went to Sephora and I asked them, you know, I use the beauty elixir, but I want to try something new, and they were like, well, beauty elixir is honestly one of the best facial sprays that we have. Why do you want to like stray away from that? So I ended up just buying another beauty elixir because I felt like everything else was just going to be subpar. So I highly recommend you guys getting this or trying this out. I know they have a travel size of this or a smaller size of this, so definitely try it out whenever I do spray this. So I can spray it for you guys now. I have nothing on my face. Every time that I spray this, it's so fine. It smells really good. It smells like a day at the spa. So really, really great ingredients in here. Let me see if I can read that out to you. So they have grape, orange blossom, rose, organic balm mint, rosemary. Like, you can really smell the mint. You can smell the rosemary. Oh, just so good. And this, when I first sprayed it, I felt it smooth my skin instantly. So I knew it worked. I wasn't a fan of the smell at first, but over time I just fell in love with it. It just smells so good. It makes me feel so relaxed whenever I spray it. This one retails for $49. It values at $71, and again, I got these two at 15% off. So it was a really great deal. The next two items I got are from Gerard Cosmetics. So I ended up getting their Slay All Day setting spray because I hear so many rave reviews about it, and I wanted to try it out. It's said to be really good with oily skin, and I have oily skin, so I wanted to try it out. I believe I got this for about like $12 when they were having their sale. And the scent that I got it in is peach. So I've actually never smelled it before, so I'm going to smell it for the first time. Something that I don't like, I hate it when they don't fill it up to the very top. I feel like someone already sprayed it and they just gave it to you. So smells really good. So this smells like peach rings, like, yeah, straight up peach rings, and I love peach rings, so this is perfect. So love the smell. Next time I put on a full face of makeup, I'll try this out and I'll let you guys know what I think about this, but I'm excited to try this out. The next thing I got was one of their Hydro Matte Liquid Lipsticks. I think this I bought for maybe around $8 or $10 when they were having the sale. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. The color that I got this in is in Christini, and I already swatched it on my hand, so here it is. And I want to say this was one of their middle mattes where it's a little bit more reflective. I bought this because the picture looked a lot more reflective than it does in person. So I'm a little disappointed. Alright, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you guys have tried any of these items out, let me know how they worked for you. If you have beauty products or skincare products that you highly recommend, comment down below and let me know. I always love trying out new beauty and skincare holy grails. I'm going to go to the store, get me some wine, and I'm going to finally watch Forrest Gump. Yes, I am 28 years old and I've never watched Forrest Gump. So tonight is going to be the night, guys. So I'm super excited. I will catch you all tomorrow. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe to support me and help me out on my YouTube journey. As always, I will catch you all tomorrow. Bye!